today, guys, we are going to comb my hair. Yes, we are going to comb my hair in braids. So let's just get straight into it. So this is the braids I'll be using. Okay, it is a X Passion Twist Up Springy Afro Twist, 24 inches, right? 2T 1B Titty, that's the color. And I buy this in a Rima. In some hair store. If I find it in my store, I'll put it right here. Okay. Guys, don't make fun of me how I talk and I look funny. My wisdom teeth is growing out. And so my mouth a little, hurting a little bit. But yeah, at the end of this kinky, it have like, tight curls. And then it have like light brown at the end of it. Let's get started because this is going to take a while. Okay. But guys, when it comes to my hair, I did dye my hair twice. I had to dye, I dyed it for graduation in a ginger color, and then I had to dye back black in order to rock my braids, my black braids and stuff. Would I dye my hair again though? Probably. Like a brown. But would I relax my hair ever again? Hell no. Let's just begin. So I have some wiggies, I have my big teeth comb, and I have my comb that is used to pat. I know most of you guys use the tin comb, but I use them whatever, as long as it can pass straight. Right? So what I do is I section my hair in 4. The back section is normally be bigger than the front. And yeah, so I'll show you guys. Alright, let's be in front of me. I only have one. I don't have like, some girlies use those back mirrors and stuff. I don't have that right now. I don't have 2 mirrors. So yeah, let's get into it.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that.
While using the mirror in front of me, I'm also using my fingers to guide my part. We are trying to make a center part, so I'm using my fingers to guide so it can be straight.
I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say.
So we are going to split one side into half and just mimic what's on the other side. So guys, we are going to part this row into 5 boxes. That's why normally 2. And each part I just place my grease in the middle of the part. So we have to start with platinum 3, and then after platinum 3 for a while we will start twisting it and plaiting it in 2. Same thing we will do with our braids. This side is finished. I feel like it takes years to finish. I feel like it took years to finish. This side is finished now. This side, this side. But guys, the reason why I do my parts first is the braids wrap in to twine with the hair. I feel like it pull it more. But if you're like your parts only at the beginning, it won't be pulling the hair as much. And also, when I do it this way, it keeps my hair more neat. So it doesn't get ruffled too quick and I can leave it in for like 2 weeks. Or more if I don't know. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. I guess we got love, love, love. I guess we got. Never gave you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got some fetish. You got some problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Think dirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. So guys, it's kind of pre-sectioned already, so I just took one from the section, split it into two, and then I take one and then split it again. So like I was able to get 4 from each section. Then I realized it was a little too thin, so I was kind of deciding on whether I should keep it or not, because I low-key like how it's this thin, but I don't want my hair to look scanty, so yeah. So as you can see, I plait the rest of my hair. Y'all, hold up. Y'all, I thought I was filming, but apparently the parts where I cut off the end of the hair wasn't recording. But yes guys, I did cut the end of the hair, cut out a little frizz at the end of it so it could like look more full, like this right now. It would be like, looks a little more full, you know, if you take out the little frizz that is near the end. So this is how the end was, and I just cut off. But yes guys, this is the final look of the hair. I must say this is one of the best kinky brands. I am obsessed. I'm in love. It looks so good. The color suits my skin really well, and I will definitely recommend this brand to anybody. If y'all see me have kinky in my hair, just know it's this brand. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy, although it looks full. It is not heavy, and it just took a 1.5 packs to do my hair. I have a lot of extras, as you can see. I have a lot, so if I want to go more thick I could, but I really like when my hair, you know, is tainable, and it could go in one, so that's why I don't put like all, and I don't want it too full. But yes guys, I obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm in love. Like, I put my hair in braids when like I having a busy week and I have things to do. It's easy to just, okay, just my hair already combed, just take on my wrap and just head down the road. Like, yo, I don't have to comb my hair and stretch my hair at night, stuff like that. I just really appreciate it. I do wash my hair with my braids in sometimes, although it takes up a lot of shampoo and conditioner. I do try my best to maintain my hair while I'm in these protective styles. The length is given. I can even get more longer because it's super stretchy. Like, it's touching my, so yeah, it could get longer. I'm obsessed. I'm really happy. I did it all by myself. Thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, check the last clip of how I do my baby hair and makeup with this look, and I'll show you guys a video on how you can style this hair and everything. Guys, this is the final finish to my hair. I'm actually going out right now, but I must say I love this color. It suits my skin, so all the caramel girlies get at it. It's really lightweight. I just obsessed. You can style it in many different ways, but I choose this hairstyle to go out, but it looks good down. It looks really full, and you guys knew I didn't use oil my hair, but yeah, so yeah, my parts was not too big, not too small. It was alright. Yes guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?